Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Infiniti Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of Infiniti's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, chrome wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.